To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link given in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to see how to make methi matar malai, which is green peas and fenugreek leaves made in rich tomato and cream based gravy. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we need. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized bunch of fresh fenugreek leaves. Separate the leaves from the stalk, rinse them very well 2 to 3 times and roughly chop them. 1 cup of fresh peas, you can also use frozen peas. 2 small onions finely chopped. 3 small tomatoes roughly diced. 6 to 8 cashews, 6 to 8 garlic cloves. Small piece of ginger. Take tomatoes, cashew, ginger and garlic in a grinding jar and grind to make a smooth paste. There is no need to use any water. Tomatoes will have enough water to make a paste. In powdered spices we need 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 large green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves that is kasuri methi, pinch of asafoetida that is hing, half cup of fresh cream which should be at room temperature, half teaspoon of sugar, this is powdered sugar I am using. Sugar will help to balance the bitterness of fenugreek leaves. Salt to taste and 3 tablespoon oil. In a pan heat a teaspoon oil, add in fenugreek leaves. Saute these leaves on medium flame until soft. This will reduce the bitterness from the leaves. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Now this methi has become soft. Take this out. In the same pan, heat rest of the oil. Once oil is hot, add in cumin seeds. Wait for few seconds. Add in asafoetida that is hing. Next add in chopped onions. Saute onions on medium flame until soft and translucent. Now onions have become soft, lower the flame and add in green chilli, turmeric, Kashmiri red chilli powder and coriander powder. Saute the powdered spices for a minute on low flame. Next in goes tomato, cashew, ginger garlic paste that we made. Let this masala cook very well until oil starts to separate from it. Oil has started to separate from this masala. Now add in fresh peas, sugar and salt. Add a cup of water. Cover and let this cook on medium flame for 15 minutes or until peas are cooked well. Peas are cooked well, so now add in rest of the ingredients, that is cooked fenugreek leaves, garam masala powder, dry fenugreek leaves that is kasuri methi and fresh cream. Give a mix. Simmer this on low flame for just 2 minutes. Our rich and creamy methi matar malai is ready to serve. This goes well with naan, roti, lachha paratha or with jeera rice or with just plain rice. So my dear viewers, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please take a moment to click on the like button, share this video and also subscribe for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.